Are you ready to step into the future of 3D printing with the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo? Join us as we explore this gem in the 3D printing universe, packed with remarkable features that set it apart from its predecessors and contemporaries. The Ender 3 V2 Neo is designed for a broad spectrum of users, from beginners to professionals. It caters to the needs of all, whether you're just stepping into the thrilling domain of 3D printing or you're a seasoned pro looking for an upgrade. The charm of this printer lies in the fact that it comes 95% pre-installed. Yes, you heard that right. Assembling this printer is as easy as pie, saving you from the tedious task of setting up a complex machine. But that's not all. The Ender 3 Neo boasts of a full metal Bowden extruder. This all-metal extruder offers greater extrusion force, making it more durable and reliable. And to top it off, a handy rotary knob has been added to ensure smooth feeding and retraction of filaments. Now let's talk about the CR Touch Auto Leveling feature. This nifty feature performs a 16-point print height check on the build surface, ensuring the leveling accuracy and improving the printing quality. This means you can bid farewell to the painstaking manual leveling process. Additionally, the 3 V2 Neo is equipped with a PC spring steel magnetic build plate. This build plate ensures excellent adhesion to the model while allowing for quick removal of the print with just a slight bend. The Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo 3D printer is a great improvement on the original Ender 3 V2, as noted in a review by 3D Sourced. With features like the CR Touch Auto Leveling, removable build plate, and all-metal extruder, this printer is a fantastic choice for beginners and hobbyists in search of a reliable and easy-to-use 3D printer.
Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting new features of the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo 3D printer.
Wondering about the upgrades on the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo 3D printer? Well, let's dive into one of the standout features, the all-metal Bowden extruder. Now, what makes this little piece of machinery so special? It's all about the strength and durability it brings to the table. You see, this full metal extruder has a greater extrusion force compared to your average plastic extruder. This means it can push the filament through the printer's hot end more effectively, which results in more consistent and higher quality prints. It doesn't matter if you're using PLA, ABS, or some exotic filament, this extruder can handle it all without breaking a sweat. But it's not just about the power. It's about longevity too. Being made entirely from metal, this Bowden extruder is far more durable than its plastic counterparts. It can withstand the heat, the pressure, and the constant use that comes with 3D printing. This robustness not only ensures reliable performance, but also saves you the trouble of frequent replacements, making your 3D printing journey smoother and more enjoyable. And let's not forget about the newly added rotary knob. This handy little addition serves a significant purpose. It facilitates the smooth feeding and retraction of filaments. No more struggling with stubborn filaments that refuse to budge. Simply turn the knob and voila, your filament is either loaded or unloaded effortlessly. It's a small upgrade, but one that makes a world of difference in user experience. So you see, the all-metal Bowden extruder on the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo is not just an upgrade for the sake of it, it's a thoughtful enhancement that improves the printer's performance, durability, and usability. Whether you're a seasoned 3D printing pro or just starting out in this fascinating world, this feature is sure to make your printing experience a whole lot better. This feature alone makes the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo a worthy upgrade. Want to achieve perfect leveling accuracy for your prints? Well, the Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo has just the tool for the job, the CR Touch Auto Leveling feature. This is not just an upgrade, it's a game changer in the 3D printing world. This remarkable tool performs a comprehensive 16-point print height check on the build surface. That's right, 16 points. It meticulously scans every corner, every edge, and every part in between. This ensures the leveling accuracy that you need for those intricate and detailed prints. But how does this work, you ask? The CR Touch Leveler uses a sensor to detect the distance between the nozzle and the print bed. It then automatically adjusts the height of the build surface to achieve the optimal level. This happens before each print, ensuring that every single project starts on a perfectly level playing field. Now you might be thinking, that sounds complex. What if something goes wrong? Well, the beauty of the CR Touch Leveler is its simplicity. The process is automated, so there's no need for manual adjustments or constant monitoring. This means you can focus on what matters, creating amazing 3D prints. And let's talk about the benefits. With the CR Touch Leveler, you can achieve a more consistent print quality. It improves adhesion, reduces the chance of print failures, and ultimately saves you time and filament. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing that every print will come out just the way you planned, with no unpleasant surprises. The CR Touch Leveler is a testament to Creality's commitment to innovation and quality. It's a feature that not only enhances the functionality of the Ender 3v2 Neo, but also makes 3D printing more accessible and enjoyable for both beginners and professionals. So, no more worries about inaccurate leveling with the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo. With the CR Touch Leveler, you're always on the level, ready to bring your 3D printing visions to life. Frustrated with the struggle of removing your 3D prints from the build plate? The Creality Ender 3v2 Neo is here to revolutionize your 3D printing experience with its PC spring steel magnetic build plate. This is not your average build plate, it's a game changer. The magnetic build plate of the Ender 3v2 Neo is designed with a user-centric approach. It's all about making the 3D printing process as smooth and efficient as possible. The magnetic build plate, made from PC spring steel, is not just robust and durable, it's also practical. But how does it work? The magic lies in the magnetic properties of the build plate. This feature ensures that your 3D model adheres well to the surface during the printing process. This strong adhesion is key to precision printing, ensuring your model stays right where you want it, even during those long, complex print jobs. And when it's time to remove your finished masterpiece, that's where the Ender 3v2 Neo truly shines. The magnetic print bed is designed for quick and easy print removal. No more wrestling with your build plate, no more worrying about damaging your prints. A slight bend of the plate and your model effortlessly peels away. It's as simple as that. This feature not only saves you from potential frustration, but it also keeps your 3D models in perfect shape. The magnetic build plate allows you to remove your prints delicately, preventing any warping or damage that can occur with traditional build plates. So whether you're a seasoned 3D printing pro or just beginning your journey into the world of additive manufacturing, the Ender 3v2 Neo has got you covered. Its magnetic print bed is designed to make your 3D printing experience more efficient and enjoyable. In summary, the Ender 3v2 Neo's magnetic print bed offers good adhesion during printing and quick, easy removal of your finished prints, all with just a slight bend. This is just one of the many features that make the Ender 3v2 Neo a standout choice in the world of 3D printers. The Creality Ender 3v2 Neo makes print removal a breeze. Looking to recap the main points of the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo? Let's dive right in. This 3D printer boasts a multitude of key features that set it apart from its competitors, starting with the all-metal extruder. This extruder is not only more durable, but also has a greater extrusion force, ensuring a smooth and reliable printing process. Plus, the addition of a rotary knob makes it easy to feed and retract filaments, a handy feature that users will surely appreciate. Next, let's talk about the CR Touch Leveler. This innovative feature performs a 16-point print height check on the build surface. What does this mean for you? It ensures the leveling accuracy, which in turn improves the overall print quality. No more worrying about uneven prints. The magnetic print bed is another standout feature of the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo. This PC spring steel build plate not only adheres well to the model, but also allows for quick removal of the print with just a slight bend, a simple feature that makes a big difference in the daily operation of your 3D printer. But what do the experts have to say? 3D Sourced, a prominent voice in the 3D printing community, praised the Creality Ender 3v2 Neo as a significant improvement on the original Ender 3v2. They highlighted the new features such as the CR Touch auto leveling, removable build plate, and all-metal extruder as key upgrades that make this printer a top choice for both beginners and hobbyists. The Creality Ender 3v2 Neo is also 95% pre-installed, making it incredibly easy to assemble. This is a major benefit for those who are new to 3D printing, as it reduces the barrier to entry and allows you to get started printing faster. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, the Creality Ender 3V2 Neo 3D printer is an excellent choice for reliable and easy 3D printing.